Definition of what is greatest integer function. Greatest integer function, important concept, and we can say that step function. Another name is step function. Why we call this, I'll explain. What is here? If you have 2.76, okay, greatest integer of 2.76. On number line, if you say this is the number line, this is 3, this is 2. Then on that 2.76 means somewhere here. What is the meaning of greatest integer means? Greatest integer means the left side of this which is greater value of left side of this number, greater value of left side of any number on the number line, that is greatest integer function. So for this one, what is the greatest integer function? 2 is the greatest integer function. That's you just remember. So the answer for this means 2. Okay. Next, suppose you have 2 greatest integer. So greatest integer of 2 is 2 itself. Okay. Greatest integer of 2 is what? 2. Okay. Greatest integer of 0.008. What will be the answer? 0. Okay. 0 will be the answer. You will understand by graph. Okay. Now greatest integer of minus 1.26. How much? Minus 1.26. On the number line, see that. Here minus 1, this is minus 2. Minus 1.26 where will be? Here it will be. A left side greatest integer. Where is the left side greatest integer? Minus 2. So the answer is minus 2. If you understand this concept, then that's the greatest integer. Okay? Understood what is greatest integer? Anush. नीचे लिख रहे हो क्या? लिख रहे हो? चलो. Understood? Greatest integer of minus 10. हाँ? अच्छा, minus 9.6. हाँ, minus 10. Okay, understood na? Right? Understood what is greatest integer? Now I'll give the definition. Sorry, what do you say? Definition they given normally like this in India. What is in JEE they given definition like this. Okay, but in textbook somewhere it is numerologically they will give some more sentence. Okay, I'll discuss later. Now we will discuss graph of the greatest integer and domain and range. Main important is domain and range, understanding the properties of greatest integer. That is main important. Now here you know x-axis you have, y-axis you have. Right? Now what I want to say here, I'll take 0. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Listen here. X is input. X is what? Input. I gave 0 input. My answer is what? 0. 0.1, 0.01, 0.0001, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.8, 0.9, 0.000009. What is the answer for that? 0. So here to here, whatever input you give, answer is 0. And the 1 is not included. 1 is excluded. Understood? Now my next questions here. I gave 1 input. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, 1.9999, 2 not given. So what will be the answer of this? 1. Answer is 1. This is hollow circle, this is closed circle. Now I took from 2. Okay, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2 here, not 3. 2. Right? Next from here, 3. 3, 2, I can take till what here? 4. Like it goes. Now coming back to here, what I get a -1. I required -1, right? -1 when I'll get right. This area I'll get -1. -2 when I'll get no. This I'll get -2, right? -3 will be where? Like this. So this is called as greatest integer function. See, you have steps. So that's why I call step function, right? GIF means what? Greatest integer function. Now can you tell me what is the domain of the function? Domain all real. I am taking all things now. Domain is all real. Can you tell me what is the range of the function? Range means output. Integer, right? Range is what? Integer. Range is integer, domain is real for greatest integer. Understood? Note down. I'll explain domain now. Definition I'll write. So this is the textbook definition. Okay. ये definition है, लिख लो. ये understood ना? Meaning understood, right? Right. This is a small things. We will enter into the properties. I'll tell you where it is to concentrate in JEE. Okay. Right now you should know these ideas, so I am giving these basics concepts. Greatest integer x is equal to 3 means x value must be what? 3.1. Yeah, okay. When you get 3, when you will get 3? 4, right? So less than 4, ये आएगा. This will be the answer. Understood? Now one property I am telling, listen here. Whenever you have greatest integer x is equal to n, so the x will be lies between n plus 1 and n. This is the first property. Okay? Understood? So greatest integer x is equal to 3, and the answer is x is in between of including 3 less than 4. Understood, sir? Right? Understood, no? Now this one, how to write here? 2x minus 1 less than 4, n plus 1. You need to think like that. N plus 1 or n. So n will be equal. So how much it is? 3. So what I get here? 2x less than 5 equal to 4. So x will be what here? 5 by 2 and 4 by 2 is 2. So the answer is this. Solution for this is this. Now here, this one, x square less than 5 equal to 4. Right? Square roots and this. Abhi isme do answers. If x square less than 5, what is the answer? If x square greater than or equal to 4, na, this meaning. X square less than 5, then what I get here? X square minus root 5 less, root 5 square. Understood or no? ये 5 इधर लेके आया. 5 square I wrote, root 5 square less than 0. This is a square minus b square formula. X plus root 5 into x minus root 5 less than 0. Now what will be the answer here on number line? Root 5 minus root 5, infinity minus infinity plus minus plus. So answer will be what? X belongs to minus root 5 comma plus root 5. Correct? Okay, but you have here, this is also, this will, how much you get? x square minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. X plus 2 into x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Write down, sir. It's not appearing. See that one answer. X plus 2 into x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So on number line, if you plot here 2, this is minus 2 plus minus plus, and you have infinity minus infinity. The answer is what? Minus infinity to minus 2 union 2 to infinity. Right? This is the answer. But yes, correct? Yeah. Closed interval. This is closed and previous is open. Previous answer is what? Previous answer, tell me fast. X belongs to root 5 comma minus root 5 comma plus root 5. This is first equation, this is second equation. No, this is first, this is second. Now intersection of both. One intersection, two answer. Tell me fast. Tell me. Answer you are getting? Both intersection you have to do. Right? Root 2 value is how much? Sorry sir, root 5 value is how much? 2 point something, more than that. So here in this both common point will be what? Minus root 5 comma minus 2 union, right? 2 comma root 5 open. So this is the answer. Clear?